1. Practice speaking regularly. Engage in daily conversation with native speakers or fellow learners. Use language exchange apps like Tandem or HelloTalk to find conversation partners. Join English speaking clubs or groups. To listen and limit, listen to English podcasts, watch movies, and follow YouTube channels in English. Mimic the pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm of native speakers. Try shadowing exercise where you repeat what you hear immediately after listening. 3. Expand your vocabulary. Learn new words and phrases daily and use them in sentences. Use flashcards or apps like Anki or Reinforce Vocabulary. Read books, articles, and newspapers in English to encounter new words in context. Record yourself speaking, record short speeches, or read aloud and listen to the playback. Indefinity areas for improvement and work on them. 5. Think in English. Practice thinking in English rather than translating from your native language. Describe your daily activities or surroundings in English in your mind. This have improving fluency and reducing hesitate when speaking. By consistently applying these techniques, you'll notice significant improvements in your English speaking skill over time.